If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. While you can make small changes to each letter as you print them individually, you can also enforce global editing changes to all future copies of a letter by editing the letter template, which is the original copy of the letter, to make changes to all future copies of the letter you produce. To edit the letter templates, select Company, Prepare Letters with Envelopes, Customize Letter Templates from the menu bar. In the Letters and Envelopes window, select the View or Edit Existing Letter Templates option button and click the Next button. In the Types of Letters section, choose the option button to display a listing of letters within the selected category in the list to the right. In the Letters Templates Available list, select the name of the letter template you want to edit, and then click the Next button. Edit the document in Microsoft Word, adding any additional fields by using the Add-ins tab in Microsoft Word 2019 through 2010 or Office 365. When finished, click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar at the very top of the Microsoft Word 2019 through 2010 or Office 365 application to save your changes to the template. You can then close Microsoft Word by clicking the X button in the upper right corner of the application window. When you edit the letter template, you can add and edit the text contained within the body of the letter, as well as change dynamic information by using the Add-ins tab in Microsoft Word 2019 through 2010 or Office 365 to add more fields of data. Be careful though, any changes you make and save within the letter template will affect all future letters based on the template. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.